Welcome to Observable Templates, quick ways to get started making powerful visualizations with your data. Let's take a look at a new way to get visibility into your GitHub workflows with a focus on the duration of your jobs. Slow jobs can mean lost developer productivity or delayed deploys. This template gives you insight into how long your jobs are taking to run. The first visualization in this template shows you the distribution of running times for each job name in your workflow. Since failed and canceled jobs can have erratic running times, you can filter the visualization to focus on only successful runs. The second visualization shows job performance over time. You can view the chart by run number to see the runs in sequence, or by start time to see when they were run in time. And if you find an interesting or anomalous run that you wish to investigate further, you can click on the run, which will pin the tooltip and open a GitHub page with the run details. To visualize your private integration tests, you'll need to authenticate with GitHub. To authenticate, you'll first need to fork this notebook. Next, you'll want to connect to the GitHub API using Observable Secrets. I'll walk you through these steps. First, create a personal access token. If you're not logged into GitHub yet, you'll be prompted to do that now. Click the Generate New Token button, add a note, select the repo scope to give API access to the actions for your repos. Click Generate Token, and then copy the token. Now, you'll want to create a secret in Observable. Click New Secret. Use GitHub API key for the name and your copied token for the value. This will only be accessible to your Observable user, or in the case of a Teams account, authenticated members of the team. Remember that you'll want to treat the secret like a password. Keep in mind that you'll want to avoid publishing the notebook outside of your team, as this will remove the secret to ensure the security of your data. Now that you're authenticated, you are connected to the GitHub API, and you can link this notebook to a private repo. You can change which repo you're pulling data from here. Right now, the visualizations are showing data from the Svelte repo. Let's go ahead and check out the plot repo. You'll see the visualizations have updated accordingly. Since you've forked this notebook, you are able to edit and add to it as you please. Feel free to delete anything in this template you don't need, and if you make a mistake, you can always undo via the History panel. At any point, you can privately share this template with your teammates. Want to get started on your own? Go to observablehq.com/templates to get started visualizing your data.